What is going on, YouTube people? Just a quick update. So last night, oh, this watch is on a bit too tight. It's like imprinted into my skin how tight it's on. So last night we had, let's have a look, shall we? At the Telegram group. So we had first of all, we had GJ Boys. Here's the setup posted. Boom, boom, boom. GJ buy stops, entry, stop loss, will take profit 2, take profit 1, take profit 2. And then what happened on GJ was I was looking for price to continue up from here. I'm pretty sure up until this level, somewhere up here. But it never got triggered, of course. We have our buy stops always 6 pips above where we want to enter the market, just so the market doesn't wick us in or out and then reverse. So I was expecting buys to go up from here last night because I saw a bounce of this level here, this key level 182, right? Support level in the market, price bounce, rejected, and then started moving bullish. And we know that GJ is bullish overall. Big moves up, as you can see. So I was looking for a bounce back up into these highs to retest these highs in here, but that didn't happen. We didn't get triggered into the trade, so there was no trade there on GJ yesterday. And so price has now broke down and it's bouncing off of this next level of support right here, where price previously has found support and resistance. So we'll see what happens here. We've got about 30 minutes until market open. So what I'm thinking is that GJ is going to continue down here, right? So I will be potentially, there's a high probability I'll be looking at sales here on GJ, but of course I'll be updating the premium members on that, on what I decide on come in the next 30 minutes or so as we start to move into pre-London. If we see we get a closure below here, and a nice strong hourly, 4-hourly closure, that could be decent. So yeah, at the moment on GJ, I'm looking at sales to continue down into this next level, 180,000, another key level in the market. So that is GJ. And then as well, last night we had setups on gold from here. We entered the market here, price reversed, and we were targeting this support below. So I'll show you real quick the gold setup. So this is when I posted it right here. This is the setup, right? Sales. You can see all the levels on the chart: stop loss, entry, take profit, take profit. And I also post them here as well. So gold sales stops, entry 1920.370, stop loss, take profit 2. And then here we see an update, eating some drawdown on gold at the moment, waiting to see how this one kind of plays out. Stay patient. I'm now outside of my trading window and I'll move profit level to break even. So if price comes down to my entry level, I'll be out at break even, right? And this was an update I did last night. And then I woke up in the morning. So as you can see, 4 a.m. and we can see that gold, we saw some drawdown, but I got out here at break even because I went to sleep. So I just set my take profit at break even, because at that point I didn't want to be in the trade anymore. But as you can see, this 1 hour candle just dropped down and literally hit take profit 1 and take profit 2, tapped it to the absolute pip. Look at this precision right here. Look at this precision, right? 75 pips, but obviously I was out of the trade break even. I know some members caught it. One of my members, Tony, as you can see, Gold Mountain, I closed here. He caught it as it started coming down. So some members did catch it. I closed at break even, but yeah, precision on the take profit level right here, right? Tapped into it to the pip and then reversed all the way back up. I know it is a support, but it's very precise precision trading. Gold hitting take profit 1 and 2, then to the exact pip and reversing precision, but I was out break even. Blah 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 blah. community chat, right? So I've just made a community chat right here. No one's joined it yet, so whatever, guys. We have 100 subs in our free Telegram channel. Oh, there we go. Just as I said that, look, somebody joined. What is the chances of that? What a coincidence. But yeah, 100 people in our free Telegram channel now, so you know, we're growing very nicely. I'll put the links down in the description if you want to join the Telegram channel. Either the free one or the paid one is completely up to you. I don't care. So yeah, that's that. And now looking into tonight or within the next half an hour on gold, because as you can see down bottom right is 2:27. I start my trading at 3 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. That is two hours before London session opens, so that's the pre-London volume that I like to trade. So as you can see, gold, we are in this range, but yeah, you know, there is an overall kind of key level in here. Gold wants to be bullish though. We've got some bullish momentum here today on the as you can see, one of my members is just messaged me right there. So we have two bullish candles here on gold on the 4 hour, right? So the momentum here is to the upside on gold currently. We'll see how price starts to react around this level. But if we start to see some volume pushing through this level, then I'm going to be taking buys here on gold today for sure. Because boom, price has created this support here, this kind of market bottom almost. Not that I like to call tops and bottoms, but we've come down, made a low, try to come down and break it. We didn't break it. We've made a higher low. Now we're trading up. We bounce back into this level, and if we start to push through with volume here, through this zone, then it will be very nice buys. I would say, I don't know. I'll have to take a deeper look after this video into the market and find a good take profit level. But yeah, I'll be looking at buys on gold potentially and sells on GJ, right? So that's that. As you can see, one of my members is now typing in the community chat. So yeah, we're now pushing up. I'll be looking at buys on gold potentially, and I'll also be looking at sales on GJ today. And if you guys are interested in the signals channel, these signals and setups will be sent out to my members within the next 30 minutes. So the links are down in the description. Completely up to you. Let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, peace out.